Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with research opportunities through NSF step by step clearly. To connect with research opportunities through the National Science Foundation, start by visiting the NSF website. Navigate to the Funding tab at the top of the home page. Click on Opportunities to explore various research programs available. Review the different categories of funding to identify ones that align with your interests. Select a category that matches your research field. Read the descriptions carefully to understand eligibility and application requirements. Check for any specific funding opportunities listed within that category. Take note of deadlines and submission guidelines provided for each opportunity. Create a profile on research.gov if you haven't already. Use your profile to access additional resources and funding opportunities tailored to your background. Join relevant NSF mailing lists to receive updates on new funding announcements. Attend NSF webinars and informational sessions, as they often provide insights into the application process. Engage with faculty members or mentors who have experience with NSF proposals. Discuss your research interests with them to get tailored advice. Consider collaborating with them on a proposal if they are connected to NSF-funded projects. Compile your research proposal according to NSF guidelines. Make sure to follow the format and content requirements closely. Submit your application through the NSF proposal submission system. Monitor the status of your proposal through your research.gov account. If accepted, prepare for the next steps in your research journey. If not accepted, request feedback to improve future. Stay persistent and continue exploring new opportunities as they arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.